Alright guys, here we are. Build part 10 of the Denali. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do the gas line, run it, fuel filter, and I'm going to run these wires back to the battery box. It's going to be a good time. Alright, let's just jump right into this. Cue the intro. Alright guys, quick question. Does anybody have problems with their GoPro Hero 7, which is what I shoot on, overheating? Like this thing is like getting toasty in time-lapse mode. I don't shoot long enough in video mode, but time-lapse, man, that thing gets hot. And that's not even worth the charging. But, here we go. Alright, last video, gas tank wired, gas tank in, battery box in. I got my cables ran for my power. I got my gas lines ran, shut off, fuel filter, cut off switch. Got my push start button here. That's run up and along. Real simple on wiring that. This wire is the actual charging coil, so I probably need to try and run that back to the battery is what I need to do. Oil cutoff switch thing, the coil cutoff switch for grounding it out and stopping it, I actually put here, and I'm probably just going to run that back this way and then put a switch here. I've got this cool little flippy one, you know, and it's off. So mount that somewhere around here. Boom, cut it off. I might try and throw a tacker on there too. Yeah, I'll just give you a quick little blip. And that's it, man. So, it's getting gas. It's getting spark. Oh, and also, the GoPro cut off, so I didn't film this, but I actually wired the coil, spark plug coil, so it wouldn't be that long one that sticks out, like way out here. Where is that thing? You guys know what I'm talking about, the stock one. Oh, this one right here. So it's not this one, because it was hitting, it was sticking up too far and it was hitting, because everything right now can get tucked down. So I got that in, got that wired in. We'll eventually do something with the breather catch can, something here for that. Yeah, moving right along. Let's see. I think the next thing will probably be to try and build the braces for the rear of the body right there. Put this in the box, finalize where all these wires are running, finalize the cutoff switch, finalize this wire running back to the battery, because that will charge the battery. Hopefully we'll see what happens. So we got, guys. All right, I am going to I don't know, tinker around some more, probably shoot some more time lapses. I've got to adjust the steering, you know, get the tie rod set right, pull down the motor completely, put in the keyways, all that stuff. So, all right, moving right along. Let's jump into this next part. Alright guys, here we are. End of part 10, I believe. I have to look at the footage to see where I'm at, but end of part 10. Oh yeah, and I got a new hand thing, a new zoom in. I got a new hand mount because I was noticing there was a lot of noise. Like I turn it and go and do whatever. Hopefully this is quieter, and I got a mic up there too. Alright, so where we're at with the build. I just ran out of welding wire, but this is where we're at. Gas tank is mounted, batteries mounted, wires ran, fuel lines ran, start ignition start, whatever you want to call it, is ran. The wire for the charging the batteries ran. Let's see. So I've got oh yeah, I've got it off. My bad. What else? Oh yeah. So this is my little piece. I actually just welded 2 tabs on the back of this piece of metal, and then built it up to where it hold the body up high enough, and actually just did bolts so I could unbolt it, prep the back of this and paint it. Got the adjuster in, my roller adjuster, back and forth to tighten the chain. Let's see what else. Yeah, everything's in. I need to add some brake fluid to this because it doesn't feel like it is as tight as it could be. So I definitely need to adjust that some. The only thing really left to do is to build the cover chain guard for here and adjust the carburetor. But all that I can do afterwards. So the next thing is going to be to break this thing completely down and put in some bracing. I'll probably do, like, I don't know, some bracing here, and then probably one, I don't know, somewhere around the back here somewhere, maybe like right here across to there, just so I have some extra bracing for everything, to keep it, you know, a little bit more stout. But yeah, that's it. Body's right there. Oh yeah, and then last night too, I had to trim out some of the fender well right here for the turning radius. I think it hits a little bit in the front, but I'm not too worried about that. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Like, breaking it all down, sanding it down, making sure all the welds are good, tuning the cart, and building the freaking chain guard. We should be golden. Throttle works pretty good. Check it out. Yeah, so that's it, guys. End of part 10. And next thing is gonna be montage and wrapping everything up, painting, and then probably 12. So I would say by 12 we'll have this thing completely done, on the road and running. Alright guys, as always, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you're subscribed, thanks for subscribing, and I can't wait to see you on the next one and the next one, and then we'll be done finally. And I actually have 2 more projects coming up I already got in the back. So thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.